So something that we have seen a lot of rumors with Apple actually could happen this year with Samsung. So obviously Samsung's been very successful with the Galaxy Z Fold series and the Galaxy Z Flip series. Well, now there is possible rumors that they could be looking into a possible foldable tablet. So how this tablet would work is exactly like it looks like in the screen right here, which of course would look like a smartphone that would slowly fold out to a tablet. Pretty much the opposite of what we see out of the Galaxy Z Fold series, with it flipping the opposite way. Now, obviously, again, this would be a tablet, so it would have a little more horsepower than the Galaxy Z Fold series, but still would be quite interesting to see what the price tag ends up being. Because my guess is the price tag would probably be in the ballpark range here of anywhere from $2,000 to $2,500. Which I'm not sure how many people would be interested in that type of device. And I'll be honest with you, I think this is why we've seen, this was talked about / rumored in the Q1 of last year and still has not released yet. And I think it's because I don't know how much of a market there really is out there for a foldable tablet. Apple, there has been rumors of them doing it, but again, it really comes down to the price tag and how much people are actually interested in picking up this phone. /tablet /phone. It's not a phone, but it looks like a phone. And it's not going to function like a phone. So if it does, our best estimate is we'll see how Samsung goes all in with its foldable product and introduce the Z Fold Tab alongside the Z Fold 5 and the Z Flip 5 in August. Now, if they do that, I'll be honest with you, you might have some people get into it and get interested in it just because the Z Fold's out. People are excited about the Z Fold 5. That could help out a little bit when it comes to that. But as you guys can see with the pricing of the Z Fold lineup, $19, $2,000, $17.99, $17.99, it would have to be more expensive than the Z Fold series. I feel like it wouldn't be cheaper than a Z Fold phone. It would be more expensive because it would have to have more horsepower. Because why would you not just get a Z Fold series at the end of the day then? I mean, there would be no reason not to, right? If you're going to just get a foldable tablet, might as well just get a Z Fold 5 that you can actually use as a cell phone and a tablet rather than just having one strictly being a tablet. Anyway, though, what features will the Z Fold Tab have? There are some substantial leaks and rumors surrounding the potential design for the new tablet. While there is next to nothing known about the specs that the new device must contain. The construction itself is the more interesting part. Let's Go Digital have done excellent jobs in finding patent applications from Samsung that outlines the construction of the device and use these in collaboration with designer Sarang Seth to create renders that show how it might look. So it's going to be a huge display. So most likely bigger than the Z Fold series. It's going to have obviously one inner display here and then two outer displays that kind of cave in on each other. So it kind of opens up like a book, which is actually really cool. Outward folding right here, inward folding, and then we have obviously the two sides. So it's going to really open up to the equivalent size of an iPad mini, which should be interesting to see how this ends up working out. And here's some more renders of what it will look like at the end of the day. So it will end up being, again, the size of, really, honestly, the size of a S23 Ultra. Like, if you have this in your pocket, people are going to be like, is that an S23 Ultra? Or is that actually a foldable tablet type device from Samsung? Interesting. Other rumors / things that could happen is this type of design, which is very similar to what we see out of the Surface Duo 2 and 1, where it's, instead of it being 360 degrees, it's 180 degrees, but it's just a simple open, close type thing. One hinge down the middle here, and it ends up being just a huge tablet that is folded in half. Some kind of what we see out of the foldable laptops in the industry as of late. And nonetheless, though, like I said before, it's going to be expensive. No matter what way you look at it, no matter what way you say, yeah, this could be cool, this could be an awesome idea or concept, it's going to be expensive. And I'll be honest with you, I'm not sure how I feel about the whole entire idea. Mainly the reason because I just don't know how much of a market there'll be out there for this design/concept. I'm sure there will be people who initially buy into it, and obviously there will be some hype because this is the first foldable laptop/computer we see. Laptop slash, not technically laptop, but technically first tablet we see foldable in the industry. So there will be some buzz, but Samsung, I'm going to be interested to see how much what they put the price tag on this thing as. Because the Z Fold lineup is way, way, way expensive when it comes to foldable phones. So if you put this phone in the 2,000 plus range, I don't know how many people are going to be interested. But definitely tell me down below, guys, if you would pick up this phone. And if you would, what price tag would you pay if you had to pick up... Oh, sorry, not phone. Tablet. And what price tag would you pay for this tablet? Peace out, guys.